Rectify the following errors by passing necessary journal entries. Goods sold to A for $10,000 were debited to his account as $1,000. In this transaction, the error is only in the A account, which has been debited with $1,000 instead of $10,000. So it is a one-sided error and will cause a discrepancy of $9,000 in the trial balance. Therefore, there will be a suspense account in rectifying journal entry. The rectifying entry will be A account debit with the amount of $9,000 to suspense account credit with the same amount. Being A account wrongly debited, now corrected. The sales book was undercast by $2,000. The sales account has been credited less by $2,000. This error can be rectified if the sales account is credited further with $2,000. The rectifying entry will be suspense account debit with the amount of $2,000 to sales account credit with the same amount. Being a sales book undercast, now rectified. The purchase book was undercast by $5,000. In this transaction, the purchase account has been debited less by $5,000. The error is only in the purchase account and it will be discrepancy of $5,000 in the trial balance. The error can be rectified if the purchase account is debited further with the $5,000. The rectifying entry will be purchases account debit with the amount of $5,000 to suspense account credit with the same amount. Being purchase book undercast, now rectified. The sales book was overcast by $3,000. In this transaction, sales book was overcast by $3,000. The sales account has been credited more by $3,000. This error can be rectified if the sales account is debited with the amount of $3,000. The rectifying entry will be sales account debit with the amount of $3,000 to suspense account credit with the same amount. Being sales book overcast, now rectified. The purchase book was overcast by $6,000. In this transaction, the purchase book was overcast by $6,000. The rectifying entry will be suspense account debit with the amount of $6,000 to purchase account credit with the same amount.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.